okay? I'm sorry. I stepped on Zero's foot. Baby girl, are you okay? I'm sorry. Oh my God, where is she? Oh, there she is. Zero. Hold on. I love you. Are you okay? Sorry, hold on. Sweet baby Jesus. I'm sorry. Are you okay? I stepped on your little I'm sorry. It's okay. I stepped on her tootsies. I'm sorry, baby girl. Oh my God, she doesn't care how weird I am, and I stepped on her. I stepped on her foot. I'm sorry. She screamed and I walked in the door. I'm so sorry. I love you. Okay, now I feel better. She's okay. I'm sorry, baby girl. It hurts. It hurts so bad when I hiccup. Oh, I try so hard not to, but you fucking people, man. You fuckers. You fuckers. Oh. Hold on. Oh. These are hard. Kitty. Oh. I'm sorry. I walked in my door and I stepped on poor baby girl's